Michael Kiambao. Thank you so much for coming. Good afternoon to you. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Michael. Good PM po. Good PM din sa'yo. Sit up ko lang yung aking camera para maganda. Thank you so much, Michael Kiambao. Hello, 16 viewers. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Thank you, 16 viewers. Steve Jr. The teddy bear just blank. Oh, really? The blank of of eyes or what? Yes, this is a very cute teddy bears. I get this in a garbage. They have a bouquet, and then I will get the bouquet and the garbage, and I sew this inside the bouquet. Very nice. I love the colors and very cute teddy bears. There are four teddy bears. This. I love pink color. Thank you, Steve. The the teddy bear are so amazing because I'd never seen like this kind of teddy bear. Very cute. I think that bouquet is very big expensive also because lot of teddy bear. Look at this one, guys. Here, I try to pick four teddy bears are. I wish that you saw the teddy bear very dark light, but I will fix the four teddy bears. Okay, you saw already now. Yes. Oh, thank you, Steve Jr., for passing by my LS. Hello, my viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. How are you, Steve Jr.? Hello, it viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, it viewers.